Subscribe it now and press the bell icon.
Hello, we are studying the lesson direct and indirect speech. In this video, we are going to see how to change interrogative sentence into indirect speech. So let's watch it. Verbal question. Rules. As you know, all four charts we have to follow, and only according to assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory, only we have to keep on changing reporting verb and conjunction. Only these two things we have to keep on changing according to the kind of sentence. Other all changes we have to make as the charts I have given you. So, in verbal question, reporting verb we have to use asked, and conjunction we have to use if or whether. And one more rule is there, change verbal question into assertive and follow the basic changes. Means before you are converting the sentence into indirect speech, we must always make that verbal question, we must always change that verbal question into assertive sentence, and then only you have to convert it into indirect speech. It's very easy. Verbal question to assertive is what? In verbal question, verb plus subject is there. Instead, in assertive, subject plus verb is there. Only you have to reshuffle subject and verb. Subject is there. You have to make subject and verb. Then it will become assertive, and then you have to change. Examples. First example. The teacher said to the boys, "Are you prepared for the test?" In this sentence, the teacher is speaker, the boy is the listener. The teacher is speaking to the boys, said to his reported verb. And "Are you prepared for the test?" is verbal question. As it starts with verb are, it is a verbal question. We have already studied in the previous videos verbal questions. So, are you prepared for the test is verbal question. Now, how will this indirect speech said to will become asked, and we are removing that comma and inverted comma. So, to join these two clauses, we are adding the conjunction if or whether. So, let's see. And are you prepared for the test? Verbal question is there, so verb plus subject is there. Now we have to convert it into assertive, so you are become, and you will become what? Are will become what? It is already there in the chart. So let's go directly to the answer. The teacher asked the boys whether. Now you can use if also, you can use whether also. I have used whether. The teacher asked the boys whether. Now, are you? You means what? Boys, isn't it? So, you will become plural, they. Because boys is plural. They, are becomes were. So, they were prepared for the test and full stop. Indirect speech, no question mark, no exclamation mark. It is always ending with the full stop. So, all punctuation marks we have to remove, and we have to end the sentence with the full stop. So, how is answer? The teacher asked the boys whether they were prepared for the test. Next example. Rohan said to mother, "Can I go for a picnic?" Rohan said to. Said to is reported verb, and as it is a question, can I go for a picnic? This said to becomes asked. So, Rohan asked mother. Now conjunction we are using here, so whether. After whether, can I? First you take subject I, then I will become what? Roman is saying to mother. So Roman is what? Third person, he. So I will become he. Can will become could. Whether he could go for a picnic. Roman asked mother whether he could go for a picnic. Next sentence. Are you hungry, my friends? Said the king. Here also, the king asked. We have to take always if it is placed after the sentence, you have to take it in the king asked his friends. Now, how did you understand? Are you hungry, my friends? Means the king is asking his friends. So, this my friends also we have to take here because friends are listener here. The king asked his friends whether are you hungry will become what? You are hungry. Now, you means who? His friends. So, plural they. They are becomes were. They were hungry. The king asked his friends whether they were hungry. Don't you know the way home? Asked I. This asked I will come in the beginning. I asked conjunction whether. You can also use if. I asked if or I asked whether. Don't you. You means who? He or she. You can use either he or she. Whether he knew the way to home. This no, don't is there, simple present. So this no, he knew the way home. It will become he knew the way home. I asked whether he knew the way to home. The poor man exclaimed, will allow you help me? Question mark. The poor man exclaimed, will allow you help me? How will be the answer? The poor man asked, exclaimed is reported verb here, it will become asked. Conjunction whether. Then will none of you. None of you is subject. So none of them will come. None of them and after subject then verb will come. Will become would. Whether none of them would help me. Next. Do you write in a good handwriting? He asked. He asked we have to take in the beginning. So first write he asked, then conjunction whether. Then do you write in a good handwriting? You can be I, you can he, it can be they, any pronoun you can use whichever it is suitable. But next change what you have to make, do write present tense. You means he, she, any you can use, write will become wrote. Whether he wrote in a good handwriting. He asked whether she wrote in a good handwriting. Next, he said to him, is it not your book? Said to me become asked. He asked him, conjunction whether, is it? It is. Then it will remain it itself. Is will become was. It was not his book. Your will become his. So how will be the answer? He asked him whether it was not his book. Father said, will you please help me, Shweta? Father is talking to Shweta. Shweta is given in direct speech sentence with inverted comma, but we have to take it out because we can easily understand that father is asking to Shweta. So how will be the answer? Father asked Shweta, then conjunction whether, then will you. You here, who does this you refer to Shweta. So what will become? You will become she. So father asked Shweta whether she will become would. Whether she would or she could help me. If your can is there, your could will come. If your will is there, your would should come. So whether she would help me. Next example. Have you seen Deepak? My friend said to me. My friend said to me will come in the beginning. My friend asked me whether conjunction. Have you seen? Present perfect tense is there, it will become present perfect. But this pronoun should come in the beginning. You means who? Friend is asking to me. So you will become I here because she is asking to me, nobody else. So it will become I, have will become had, then other said. My friend asked me whether I had seen Peacock. Am I making a mistake? Asked Neha. Neha asked whether she was making a mistake. So, in this way, pronoun only you have to take care. You have to read the sentence properly. Then, think what pronoun will change into what. If it is, means according to the sentence, you have to take the Only you have to take care of pronouns. Other things are very easy. Keep these rules in mind. Or verbal question that reported verb should be asked, conjunction should be whether, and verbal question you have to convert it into assertive sentence and then make the changes in pronouns, verbs, tenses, etc. If you like my video,